Hey guys, we are in our moving clothes today because we're moving into our new office, and one of the things that I'm most excited about for our new office is our new wallpaper. Doesn't it look beautiful? This is from Westcoast Walls and they are a local company and I love it. So this is removable wallpaper, and so as you can see, we've started the wall over here and we're continuing to put up panels. It's amazing, they even give you instructions on which panel goes on which. This is a cutoff of the bottom of one of our other panels. And so we're going to show you a bit about how we do it. The first thing is that we tape it all up, and this is a great way to decorate your nursery, especially if you're renting, because you can get the cutest ones. I'll show you in my kids' rooms that we're using for backdrops for videos in a bit. But we're able to put these in and you're able to take them off. Like literally, you're able to put them on the wall, straighten them out, get the bubbles out, and they come right off. So if you're renting or you're thinking, oh, my kid's gonna grow out of wallpaper, or you're like me, where you just hate putting up wallpaper, and so you'd rather do this kind of thing, it is perfect. So I have done, this is my third wall of putting them up, and I've come up with some tips for you guys. So I'm going to show you as we go along. Let's check out my kids' rooms.
So initially they were sharing a room and we had a beautiful mural up, but I wanted to make it a really engaging space where I could record instructional videos, but also that she could reflect her personality as well. It was really easy to apply, and it meant that even in the daytime it was really vibrant, but it wasn't scary at night either.
Okay, so what you need is you need a roll of tape, a chair, and a knife. So to be able to cut off the top, and they actually provided you with a smoothing tool. One of the biggest things, the biggest mistakes is I use the smoothing tool way too much. And so smoothing it out with my hands gets the least amount of bubbles, and then there are instructions, like you can just use that smoothing tool if you've got a bubble that you missed or something like that. But basically what you're gonna do is you tape it into place, and then it just has a peelable back. Using a level is really helpful. I live in a 20-year-old house, so the walls are no longer level. So then we are just peeling it up like that, and then you're able to stick it to your wall where your tape has held it. And so then you have a really good starting point, and you're able to peel the back and go and smooth it as you go. Start from the inside and put it out. This is awesome because if you're decorating a nursery, of course we don't want decorations that can fall on your baby. And so this is an awesome way to decorate your nursery without things being hazards for your kids.
This is my main nursery space that I wanted to do a complete makeover on because it was the old office. You can see I chose the wildflower and it is just amazing. It went up so beautifully, and we were able to make it such a special nursery place for a baby girl, and it has worked out better than I even thought, and it was so easy to turn it from an office into a nursery. This is the office space beforehand that you saw before, and it was just like kind of nothing, blah, and it really took us only a morning to turn it into this. Like, can you believe it? How easy was it to turn it into an incredible space where we are able to help more families with what we're doing? The next thing was, this is our recording space. You'll see that this is where we record all of our videos for YouTube and things like that. And it, once again, just transformed it. It meant it was engaging and it had a way to reflect who we are as little winks. Thanks, West Coast Wallpapers.